So take a look at the turmeric. This is the turmeric plant going crazy. Look at that. This thing was dead about 2 months ago in the wintertime. Now look at it. Beautiful turmeric plant. Now it got some nice turmerics down there at the bottom. We ain't gonna bother with it. We're gonna let that thing grow, grow, grow. Look, see, it was dead. Get that out of there. Now it's nice and beautiful and green and luxurious now. Beautiful, beautiful turmeric plant that came back alive on me. So yeah, that's growing very well, very well. I'm not ready to harvest none of this stuff yet. I'm gonna just let it grow, 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 grow. When the World War III happens and there ain't no food, then I'll pull it out of there. But yeah, man, luxurious. Look how beautiful that is. Soft leaf, soft green. My problem is I don't have enough soil in this farm. I don't know how I'm gonna do this or what. I got plenty of dirt, but I need soil, man. I started this up. But anyway, that's off subject. We got this beautiful turmeric plant. So yeah, I would definitely recommend growing turmeric on your farm. They're strong. They don't die very easily. They come back to life. They grow good. They don't take a lot of maintenance. They pretty much thrive on their own. I haven't even watered this thing. I haven't done anything to this thing. It just kind of took off on its own. I see a little bug in here. I'm trying to get him out of here. Get out there. But yeah, nice. There's a couple bugs in here. I'm not gonna worry about them right now. But yeah, man, look at that. Beautiful. So I think I'll leave that alone. I ain't gonna bother with it. I'll let it continue to do its thing, continue to run its course, Well, you know what? Let's throw a little bit of this in there. Throw a little bit of that in there. Let it do its thing, though. Let it do its thing. Turmeric. Heck, I might I've been thinking about I'm gonna come through with another I'm gonna put some ginger in that one. Some ginger and something behind it. But yeah, we're gonna come with some ginger behind that. So yeah, stay tuned, man. It's ginger. But that's the turmeric. We're gonna put some ginger behind it, and then we'll probably put some garlic behind it. So boom, there you have it, man. That turmeric. If y'all watched my video like 2-3 months ago, you see how dead that thing was. That thing was dead. Now look at it, thriving, growing good, growing good. Like, comment, subscribe. I know I ain't got a lot as I used to have going on out here, but hey, I gotta keep pushing. I gotta keep fighting. I got a lot of stuff trying to hold me back, a lot of stuff trying to hold me down, but I gotta keep going, man. I'm inspired. I gotta keep pushing, man. I gotta keep pushing. Like, comment, subscribe, peace.